ॐ शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमा माद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीं अभयदां जाड्यान्धकारापहां हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदां नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां पुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदी। लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदी नवम कक्षा। वयम् अपश्यामः इको एणचि आत्सन्धि प्रकरणे इको एणचि तस्मिन्निति निर्दिष्टे पूर्वस्य स्थानेन्तरतमः वयम् अपश्यामः। अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति अनचि च झलां जश्चषि संयोगार्थस्य लोक आलोन्त्यस्य। अत्र अन्य सूत्रो अस्ति, अच् सन्धि सूत्रो अस्ति जलां जश्चषि। तस्य अर्थाय अनचि च इति एकं सूत्रम् अस्ति प्रथमः। अस्तु, को पठति? अरूपानंद स्वामीजी कृपया पठतु। अस्तु, अनचि च
अचः परस्य यरो वे वास्तो न तुचि तुच्यो तु अचि इति दकारस्य दित्वेन शुद्ध्य उपास्य इति
जाते। सम्यक्। अनचि च इति विधिसूत्रो अस्ति। संज्ञा च परिभाषा च विधिसूत्र अस्ति। इसका अर्थ ये है, दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सूत्र इज, पहले जो आया स्थाने अंतरतमः, इसके पहले परिभाषा सूत्र में ये था स्थाने अंतरतमः। स्थाने अंतरतमः ने बताया दैट सेम स्थान शुड बी सिमिलर। जैसे इकार शुड बिकम यकार, उकार शुड बिकम वकार, in this way, because sthana is the same. Asya, ikara to yakara, asya is both this talu, ichu yashanam talu, और उकार तो जी तुल्यास्य प्रयत्नम सवर्णम में जो आस्य, so that asya, ikara and yakara have same asya sthana, and ukara and vakara have same sthana. So that sutra said, okay, that because sthana is similar, ikara will become yakara and not vakara, ukara will become vakara and not yakara, ऐसे, because they are similar place of origin. The sound ikara ya sound, e sound and ya sound, their sthana is the same, talu. वैसे ही u sound और v का आवाज, their sthana is the same, ओष्ठ, u v, वैसे दंतोष्ठ. In this way we had seen that is sthane antaratamah, the closest, antaratama, tama pratyaya hai, closest. Now Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudikara says anachicha. Why? Because this is all ach sandhi. Ikoyanachi tasminiti nirdishte purvasya, this is all for ach sandhi. But now Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudikara says anachicha, where it is not ach also. Achicha means where ach. Anachicha जहाँ ach नहीं है,
अच्छा नहीं,
but optional. अचः परस्य यरो द्वे वास्तः, यरपि, यरः in Maheshwar Sutrani, what is यर?
यरि प्रत्यय
जी, प्रत्याहार. Yar will be
There will be start one ya va la la nya ma nga na na ja va ga da da jaba ga da da kapa chada da chada da va chada da kapa sha sha sa.
Samyak, Swamiji, Bahu Samyak. Pura, from yar to sha, sar. Hatak, that is yar. So where this yar also, yaro dvevastaha, whether it is ach or whether it is yar. Achaha parasya yaro dve. Sometimes where it ji, dvitva. Yaro dvevastaha. There will be dvitva. Iti dhakarasya dvitvena sudhya upasya. There is another easy example for this. You can take example like, जैसे in Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan says many times, vidhi. ये कहाँ आते हैं? जी.
तद्विद्धि प्रणिपातेन.
हाँ, तद्विद्धि प्रणिपातेन. In vidhi, the dhatu is what? Vidha. Vidha dhatu is there. Vidha dhatu is there. But here this dhakara also comes sometimes. There is dvitva. Dhakarasya dvitvam. जैसे यहाँ पे दिया है सुधी उपास्य, सुध्या उपास्य. That is how it is. But of course, practically speaking, our example is better. So जैसे there will be other examples also. What this sutra is trying to say is, it is not the sthane antaradamaha etc. Isaya, useva. Such karya will not happen always only in ach. While this is in ach sandhi, sometimes it will happen in yar also. However, when it happens in yar, there will be dvitva. Iti dhakarasya dvitvena sudhi upasya iti jati. ये है विधि सूत्र. So विधि सूत्र, हाँ, विधि सूत्र, this maybe we can see first. The difference between संज्ञा, paribhasha and vidhi.
And one more thing, is it one year and any other hal also हो जाएगा उधर?
जी, other hal also, but here it is specifically for yar. So the only thing different, when you say yar, what is left is hakara. Only hakara is left. Actually.
Hakara is left, yeah.
Ji. So that there it will not happen. That's all. All other hal it will happen. So because see, when you start from yar, ha ya varat ha ho gaya, and then shasha sar hal. Hal mein hal.
Hal is hal. Ha is not
Correct.
applicable. Yeah, the rest all.
Correct. Ji.
So Akash ji, in the initial one, eco-energy, the closest sounding, like E was replaced by here. Here it is the same sound. That is the difference, right?
Yes.
Here it is not even closest. It's the same sound. That
but that is also closest, right? Like.
Closest, yani, the same.
Ji. Sthane antaratamaha. Closest in the sense, the closest applicable among the options. Jaise, you know, in E and ya, ikara to yakara that happened, right? In eco-energy, we say closest, sthane antaratamaha. But really, this yakara is closer than vakara. In reality, ikara and yakara both come from thalu only. It is not that ikara will come from kantha and talu is the closest to kantha, so yakara will. It is not like that. Actually speaking, they both come from the same sthana. E and ya also. Ichu yashanam talu. The closest.
Just to I mean, the difference between eco-energy and anich is, in one case it is the closest, in one it is the same.
No, in eco-energy also it is same only. You tell me, you only tell, Abhaji. Eco-energy mein ikara what happens?
Yakara.
Yakara. Ikara के स्थान क्या है?
Talu.
और यकार के?
Talu.
So that is not closest, na? It is same.
From the sthana point of view.
Yeah.
From the akshara point of view.
Okay. From the akshara point of view, it is the same. But when you have akshara in swara, the ikara won't become dirgha ikara. It is not like that. So okay, you can say. But you know, in the sthana also, when you say sthana, this dakara and dhakara also have same sthana. You remember what that sthana sutra, here we can see actually, then it will become easier. Here it is given, right? No, here it is there. So, dakara is which varga? The and the?
The varga.
The varga. Or tu, this one you see this line? R, tu, lasanam, dantaha. So, the whole tavarga is the same sthana. tavarga में द भी है और ध भी है और दोनों वही स्थान है दंता.
Yes.
So in this sense also it is the same sthana only. So if you say this ikara and yakara are from one sthana, we can of course say that takara and dakara also from one sthana only, same sthana. It is not that oh that is swara and this is akshara. Here we are just saying what is common between them.
So tavarga all
Ji. Tavarga all same sthana, kavarga all same sthana, chavarga all same sthana. There in Ikoyanachi, E to Ya happened. Why? Because we said, okay, they are both same sthana. But here also, you can say they are the same sthana. It is not. Abhaji, your question was, E to Ya I am understanding as closest and The to The I am understanding as same. But I want to shift that. I am saying, E to Ya also, sthana was the same. The to The also, sthana is the same. The logic is the same. There is no kind of irregularity in the logic. It is applying in both places.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not irregularity. Subtle difference, I thought it is.
Okay, you can say subtle difference, but if you take sthana is the same, there is no subtle difference. It is the same only. Sthana, that's all.
Yeah.
The subtle difference is there is one swara, here there is both vyanjana. That is the subtle difference. But that doesn't make any difference for us. You know, as far as we will say sthana, it does not make a difference. Here it is ach to hal. Here it is hal to hal. That is all. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
So the difference now we see. So we have been saying, ye hai this Ikoyanachi was Vidhi Sutra, और ये तस्मिन् इति निर्दिष्टे पूर्वस्य परिभाषा सूत्र, और इसके पहले ये सब जो आया ये सुप्तिङन्तं पदम हलोन्तरा संयोगा, दिस इज ऑल संज्ञा सूत्र. सो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन संज्ञा सूत्र, विधि एंड परिभाषा? संज्ञा, परिभाषा एंड विधि. अदर थ्री विल कम लेटर. बोलिए.
संज्ञा इज मेंशन अबाउट नाउन, या दैट्स नामा.
देन
परिभाषा.
ओके.
परिभाषा is mentioned about विधि and no विधि.
ओके.
उसका पोजीशन के बारे में वो बात करता है ना, वो स्थान के बारे में. जी
ठीक है. बट दिस इज ओनली स्थान के बारे में ये है सूत्र बस. स्थाने अलग भी सूत्र होंगे स्थान के बारे में नहीं होंगे जैसे. Like
and the Vidhi Sutra means that means the 100% we needed that one. Yeah, the other position we need to change.
This is correct. Vidhi, this is correct for sure. So there is a way to easily understand. You are correct in संज्ञा and विधि. और परिभाषा के लिए क्या बोल रहे थे स्वामी जी? परिभाषा के लिए क्या? How to? Okay. So there is a way to understand easily, much easily. Vidhi Sanya Sutra mein, it is not only noun, by the way. For Sanya Sutra, other things will also be there. Nama is the mukhya. That is, Sanya Sutra basically says, what is this? ये क्या है? संयोग क्या है? संहिता क्या है? पदम क्या? In this way. This is what Sanya Sutra is saying. It is defining, definition, Sanya Sutra. Paribhasha Sutra means, there is a sutra, जैसे तस्मिन् इति निर्दिष्टे पूर्वस्य सूत्र is there. Now this Paribhasha Sutra is saying, how should you read all other sutras? That directive is given by Paribhasha Sutra. How to read or how to interpret other sutras. That is why they had said sthane antaratamaha is Paribhasha Sutra. Why? Because sthane antaratamaha, we are saying in all other Ashtadhyayi sutras, this rule is common. Sthana जो अंतरतम है, that will be that sthana you take, closest or as similar as, that is the same, whatever meaning we put to antaratamaha, that is the sthana. अथवा तस्मिन्निति निर्दिष्टे पूर्वस्य, तस्मिन्निति निर्दिष्टे पूर्वस्य said जो सप्तमी विभक्ति, wherever it is, before that कार्य will happen. So इको याणची में सप्तमी विभक्ति किधर है?
Achi.
Achi. Correct. So before the ach, action will happen. In whatever word, like iti plus adi, यहाँ पे ach is आकार. Before this ach, कार्य happens. So this इकार के iti के इकार जो है, te is there. Te is there. This e is becoming ya. Why? Because it is before the ach. So this Tasminiti Nirdishte Purvasya said, wherever Saptami Vibhakti is, before that will happen. Across all sutras. This is Paribhasha Sutra. How do you read a sutra? Ji.
Akaji, can we go to that example, please?
Which example?
Achi was added, right?
Yeah.
What you had written down. Okay.
Iti, horrible handwriting.
Adi.
Adi. Bole.
Right. So, does the word mean, is Adi a Shabda which is in Saptami Vibhakti?
No, it's not.
Okay.
It is not about Saptami. Here, where is the ach is the question. Iko yan achi. Achi is Saptami of ach, right? Achi means Saptami, ach Shabda. Ach Shabda ke Saptami Vibhakti is achi.
Yeah, that I understood. But I was confused that, wherever there are two Shabdas, the second one will be Saptami, and before that Saptami, the Karya will happen. Vaisa nahi hai.
No.
Karya will happen before the An It Sangya letter.
Ach, before the ach.
Ach के पहले. Ach वाला जो अक्षर होगा, before that the Karya will happen.
Ji, what is said here is, here you see the sutra achi, iko yanachi. Achi is the Saptami Shabda.
Yeah.
So,
yes.
Given that achi is the Saptami, the Karya will happen before the ach. Saptami ends here. Now we go here. Where is the ach in iti adi? A is the ach. Swara.
A is there.
So, before this a, Karya is happening. Before this a is ti. That is it plus e. This is before the a. Immediately before the a is e. So this e is becoming here.
Yep. Okay. So the importance of Saptami Shabda is only restricted to this sutra, Paribhasha, basically.
Correct.
It's got nothing to do with the words that will have this Sandhi.
Correct. There is it does not have anything to do with the word with Sandhi. Correct. So this Tasminiti Nirdishte Purvasya is saying, wherever you get this Saptami, because there will be other examples also. Jaise Jalam Jas Jashi. Here also there is Saptami. We will see this now. Before that Saptami, Karya will happen. That is the meaning. So that is Paribhasha. Paribhasha Sutra says, जो भी सूत्र हैं, whatever sutra that is, वो सूत्र कैसे पढ़ना है. This is a type of Paribhasha Sutra. This is saying, you have to read that when there is Saptami Vibhakti, the Karya will happen before Saptami. There will be others. Sthane Antaratama is a Paribhasha Sutra. Sanya
so
Sutra.
Paribhasha is general rule.
General rule. How to read it. Rule in the sense, rule about how to interpret a sutra. Rule about how to read, how to understand a sutra. General rule. Sanya is also a general rule, but it is a general definition rule. Vidhi. So this is the difference between Sanya and Paribhasha. But Vidhi is, like Swamiji already said, कुछ कार्य होने वाला है वहाँ पे. कैसे होना है? What कार्य should happen? That is vidhi. This should happen. Jaise ikoyanachi is a vidhi sutra. In ikoyanachi you say ikara should become yakara. There is a vidhi there. Ukara should become vakara before ach. When you do sandhi. This is the difference between these three. Other three are there. Niyama, Atidesha, Adhikara. We will see that when they come. But they are not so different than this one. Slight differences are there. But for now, the beginning, we should understand at least these three. Then we will see later. Any question on Vidhi Paribhasha and Sanya Paribhasha and Vidhi? No. ठीक है. Agree. So Anachicha says Dvitva will happen. Just say you take this example Vidhi, or you can take any other. Sudhi Upasya is there. Other examples are there. Here Dvitva has happened here. Dakara. This is not something that will keep coming back. This is of course also a Vidhi Sutra. This Dvitva will happen. This is what the Sutra is saying. There will be Dvitva. धकार से द्वित्वेन इति जाते. धकार से द्वित्व जाते ऐसे इति जाते. अस्तु अग्रे. Now we get to the second sandhi. जैसे इकोयनची. This is another sandhi sutra. झलाम जश जशी.
जलाम जशी जशी.
जी. आभाजी वृत्ति कृपया पठतु.
स्पष्टम इति पूर्वधकारस्य दकारः.
जी. स्पष्टम
इति पूर्वधकारस्य दकारः.
सम्यक्. हाँ. इति पूर्वधकारस्य दकारः. लघु सिद्धांत कौमुदीकार से स्पष्टम. बस मुझे कुछ नहीं बताना है इसके बारे में. स्पष्ट है. हमको समझना पड़ेगा क्या सब स्पष्ट है. सो वील टेक झलाम जश Jashi. There are three words here. Jalam. Jal means what?
Japa, Gada, Jabagada, Kafa, Cha, Ta, Chadada, Kabaya, Shashasa, Ha.
Ha. Jabagadada, Jabagadada, Kapa, Chata, Tacha, Tata. Then Kapaya, Kapa. Shashasa ha sarva.
Yeah.
So jha
right because jasham.
अच्छा जशाम नहीं जशाम बाद में ना पहले झलाम ना.
Hal. Okay, so it goes till the end.
Till the end. हाँ. जब ग ड द फिर जब ग ड
द
ज ग ड द. Then ka pa cha tha tha cha ta ta. फिर ka pa या नहीं ka pa
या शा शा सा.
हाँ. ये सर्व है झल. All this is झल. झलाम.
All व्यंजन है ना.
व्यंजन is except
consonants and nasal.
जी नेजल नहीं है. यम गणना नहीं होते.
Barring nasals, soft consonants and vowels, all the consonants are included here.
हाँ हाँ. Every वर्ग प्रथम द्वितीय तृतीय चतुर्थ फिर श श स ह ये सब है यहाँ. ख ख ग घ छ छ ज ज त थ द द त ठ ड ड प फ भ भ फिर श श स ह सर्वे. झलाम. झलाम इस षष्ठी विभक्ति. षष्ठी विभक्ति में अर्थ क्या कराएंगे हम? अर्थ फॉर षष्ठी काके की संबंध. हाँ काके की बिलोंगिंग टू संबंधार्थ. सो झलाम whatever is belonging to all this. Jhalam. You can also say Saptami. Jhalam in Jala or of Jala. In Jala Jash. Jash will be what?
Jabagadada.
Jabagadada. Samyak. Jabagadada. Panch. Writing is not so good. Jabagadada. ये पांच है. Jash. और Jash में?
Jash means Jabagadada. Jash है ना?
All of that again.
Jash है ना?
जी.
C1, C2, C3, C4. Sh, sa, ha.
नहीं.
Jabagadada, Jabagadada.
हाँ बस. Jabagadada और Jabagadada. इतना ही. माहेश सूत्र. हाँ. Jabagadada. नहीं. Jabagadada. That's all.
C4 and C3.
G, C4 and C3. Jabagada. So what this saying is, what this sutra is saying, Jalam Jash Jashi. In Jashi. Jashi सप्तमी में है या षष्ठी में है? जैसे that earlier example we'll take.
Achi. Saptami.
Saptami. Achi, Sati, Maruti. All this is Saptami. Jashi bhi Saptami. So Jashi, if Saptami is there, then Karya should happen where?
Before Jashi.
Before. Which sutra? ये सूत्र.
Eco energy.
नहीं ये सूत्र. Eco energy is Sandhi sutra.
Nirdishte purvasya. As it was said before, here also it will apply.
जी सप्तमी एकवचन. जैसे इको एनर्जी में था, जैसे इको एनर्जी आची के पूर्व, here जलाम जश जशी में जशी के पूर्व. So we will see example. This is much easier with example. What this basically this sutra is saying. In fact, in Rachananuvada Kaumudi is a basic book. It is not any kind of high level book. It's a basic book, but it's very good for giving basic information, kind of what happens where, why this is happening. And the Sandhi Sutras are very good in Jalam Jasha Rachananuvada Kaumudi. Rachananuvada Kaumudi, Jalam Jash Jashi Rachananuvada Kaumudi said, Jhalon ko Jash hota hai, baad mein Jash hoto. All of this Jal, this will become Jash. When?
Jash.
If Jash is there. जी.
Pareto.
Jash Pareto, ये जल जश होगा. So in this jash na, in this jal, there is ka, gha, gha. Then same for chavarga, same for tavarga, same for tavarga. All of these four vargas, first, second, third and fourth. ये चार जो हैं, the first, second, third and fourth of each varga, that will become Jash.
Yeah.
That will become Jash when Jash is later. So we'll take an example. Now we see example.
And Sir, Sha, Sir as well, no?
Ji. But that example will be little more complicated. So we'll just take these four now.
Okay.
Ushma bhi hai. 1, 2, 3, 4 or Ushmanaha. All of those are also there. But we'll see that example, that is also there. But we see this first. Jaise example, the famous example will be something like Sat Guru. So now you see, Takara is what? Is it Jash? Sorry. Is it Jal? Jash or Jash?
Takara is Jal.
Jal. Jal.
Yeah.
Or Gakara is what?
Jash.
Third.
Jash. So the sutra is saying Jal will become Jash if Jash is later. Jash is later. Guru mein Gakara is Jash. So that's later. So this sutra says Takara will become Jash. Jash means what? 3 and 4. That is Jash.
Yeah.
3 is Jash. So Ta will become the. So Satguru becomes Satguru se Sadguru.
Sadguru.
This is the meaning. Sadguru is one example. We'll take another example. We will see which example we can take. Some other varga maybe. हाँ ठीक है. Tat plus bhavati.
Satchidananda.
Satchidananda you can take. Okay, we'll take Satchidananda first. Sat plus Chit. Sat plus Chit. This is what is happening there, right? Cha is which? Cha is Jhash. Sahi. And ta to वैसे देखा जल है. So ta becomes Jash if Jash is following. Jash of ta is the. So Sat plus Chit. But sorry, 1 second. Cha. This is an good example. Is cha jakar Jash? Jash means what?
No, it is not the third.
It is not Jash.
No. संचित में चित्त तो ಈಗ ಅಚ್ಚ ना परे.
नहीं आज तो गुरु में भी अच्छा है ना परे उकार.
So this is not
वो नहीं
Jash.
देखना. You have to see consonant. व्यंजन को देखना है.
व्यंजन को देखना.
जी. तो व्यंजन क्या है यहाँ पे?
इधर सत का धातु व्यंजन है. वो तो जल है.
चित्त में.
Jhal is meeting. Jhash is not meeting here.
हाँ.
Sorry, there are too many people speaking. It's not clear.
जी स्वामी जी आप बताइए. सत और चित्त में चकार is which? Is it Jhash or not? अरूपानंद स्वामी जी. हाँ in सत plus चित्त. Chakara is Jhash or not?
Chakara is not Jash.
Not Jash. Sahi.
Yeah.
और ये सूत्र what does it say? Jalam Jash Jhashi.
Pareto.
हाँ. When there is Jhash, karya will happen.
Yeah.
Here there is no Jhash.
Yeah, no, it's a Jal and Jal still have back to back.
जी, यहाँ पे this is not Jhash, so something else will happen that will come later.
Yeah.
So this will not become Sadchit. जैसे Sadguru became Dakara, यहाँ पे Takara will not happen. It will say Satchit only. This is a good example of what should not happen. We'll see this again. Satkara, in the same way, Sat plus Karaha. Ka is not Jhash.
No.
This Sandhi won't work.
So
this is not Jalam Jashi.
Ji, this is not Jalam Jashi. This is later that will come. Ashicha and all of them. Here it will just become Sat Karaha. This is the result. It will just stay Satka Takara only. Basically what this sutra is saying, when Jash is following, then Sandhi Karya will happen. One more example. Tat plus Bhavati. Okay? Takara is what? Is it Jal?
Yes.
Okay. Bhakara, is it Jash?
Yes. C4.
Anybody disagrees or agrees?
Sorry? Tat plus?
Tad plus Bhavati.
Bhavati to yes, exactly. Same.
So will it कार्य संधि कार्य होगा या नहीं होगा?
हाँ ये तो जल जश परे है ना इसलिए हो जाएगा.
जी.
जश आदेश हो जाएगा.
जी तो बकार is जश, तकार is जल. तो झलाम जश जशी before जश will happen. So takara becomes dakara है ना. ये है जश.
Yeah, of course.
So tad bhavati, that is the karya. This will be the result. We have to see what happens in the second shabda, whether it is Jash or not. If it is Jash, the first shabda will become Jash.
And this one also mentioned because तगारा का स्थान भी देखना चाहिए, जबगढ़दा का वो स्थान भी देख के वो रिप्लेस करना चाहिए ना उधर.
बिल्कुल, दोनों रिप्ले दोनों देखना चाहिए. पहले झल है क्या, बाद में झश है क्या, दोनों देखना है. दोनों अगर है तो जल होगा जश, एक तो नहीं है तो नहीं होगा. If for example makara is coming, makara will not become anything, makara will just stay as it is. It is not part of jal or jash.
Because magara belongs to nasika.
जी, अनुनासिक मतलब हाँ अनुस्वार है, अनुस्वार वर्ग में the अनुनासिक, that will not, that thing will happen to them. This is only for jhal and jash.
Yeah, just yeah.
In this Rachana Nada Kaumudi, they had given this example: Siddh plus Dihi. So Dakara is Jash, or Dhakara is Jhal. So this Dakara will become Jash.
Just yeah.
That is the, so Siddhihi it will become.
Yeah.
It will become Siddhihi. द्वित्व जैसे होगा. सिद्धि, बुद्धि, all of them are the same. सिद्धि, बुद्धि, शुद्धि, दुग्ध, क्षुब्ध, रिद्ध, everything is the same. Many examples they have given. समृद्धि, प्रारब्ध, बुद्धि, all of this, that जलाम जष्टशी कार्य हो रहा है. We'll see one more sutra quickly before finishing. It's just this sanyogantasya lopaha, you'll see, because it's very simple. Sanyogantasya lopaha.
संयोगांतस्य लोपः.
जी, सुंदर जी कृपया पठतु वृत्ति.
संयोगांतम यत्पदम तदन्तस्य लोपः स्यात्.
संयोगांतम यत्पदम तदन्तस्य लोकः स्यात्. लोपः स्यात्. When there are two padas and they are in संयोग, संयोग में दो पद है, पद एक और पद दो हैं, तो ये द्वितीय जो पद है इसका लोप हो जाएगा. जैसे भगवंत शब्द is there, भगवंत, और अंत में होना चाहिए दोनों. इफ दे आर बोथ एट द अंत, एट द एंड, देन जो द्वितीय है वो लोप हो जाएगा. भगवंत में न और त संयोग में है जी, न और त संयोग में है और अंत में है, तो ये तकार को लोप होके भगवान शब्द बनाएगा. सेम फॉर महंत, न and ta are together, that will become महान. तो अभी आप बताइए संत, इसको क्या होगा?
संत तो सन हो जाएगा ना,
सन, सम्यक, बिकॉज तकार विल गेट लोप. संयोगांतस्य लोपः बेसिकली, और यहाँ पे दीर्घ हुआ, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट सूत्र. संयोगांतस्य लोपः इज सिंपली सेइंग संयोगा अंतम, एंड देयर इज अ संयोगा अंतम यत् पदम, जो पद अंत में है, तद अंतस्य लोपः स्यात्, जो सबसे अंत में है उसका लोप हो जाएगा. दिस इज संयोगांतस्य लोप.
महाराज जी, कैन आई आस्क यू समथिंग? ये ना संयोगांतस्य लोपः ऐसा बोलता है ना प्रोनाउंसिएशन
जी.
वो वही इस सा तो ऊपर वो डॉट हो जाएगा, तो सम होता है और सही होता है, क्यों?
जी जी जी. सो शुद्ध जब लिखते हैं और जब पहले हम पढ़ते हैं, वी विल से संयोगांतस्य. Generally this makara, there is one more sutra that will come anuswara se parasavarana, it will come later, and yaronu nasike nasiko, वो भी आएगा बाद में. Basically what happens is, before this yakara, makara you will just make into kind of anunasika. वैसे it will just become sanyogantasya. However, If pakara is there, जैसे संपर्क, इसमें तो हम नहीं बोलेंगे संपर्क, यहाँ पे तो पूरा मकार है. Why? Because this is in पवर्ग. तो ये दृष्टांत देखिए, सम उपसर्ग पूर्वक कार्य, ठीक है. ये कैसे बोलेंगे हम संधि में? और सम और कर,
समकार हो जाएगा.
हाँ, संकार हो जाएगा, नकार है ना. और सम प्लस ततः, ये क्या होगा? स्वामी जी, सम प्लस ततः,
सम ततः है ना.
हाँ, क्या होगा?
इसका सत्य हो जाए.
नहीं, सम और ततः होगा संततः. सही है गलत है ना?
वो तो संततः हो जाएगा.
जी.
But it's maybe wrong.
No, when we say, of course, grammar rules we have to see. There are specific sutras. But just to say, since you asked, ये मकार क्यों अनुस्वार जैसे, मतलब अनुनासिक जैसे क्यों हम बोल रहे हैं? Because of the next letter. Because of yakara.
Yeah.
If this yakara was pakara, then makara will be the same. If this yakara was kakara, then makara will become nga. जो next letter हैं, अगले अक्षर हैं, that will decide how the makara happens. That makara becomes basically. Like this anta shabda is there, na?
Yeah.
In the beginning you can say plus ta.
Yeah, plus ta. Yeah.
But because this ta is coming later, makara will become na. And we say anta. The next akshara will decide what happens to the makara.
Oh, okay, now I understand. That's why I think we using the, I just mentioned about this things.
जी. So
शरीरं यदवाप्नोति यच्चाप्युत्क्रामति ईश्वरः गृही त्वइदानि सय्यादि आयुर्गन्धानि वाशयात्.
सही.
That's where they come. Okay, before.
गृहीत्वैतानि संयाति. सही. हाँ, इससे जैसे ही है, संयोगान्तस्य लोप ऐसे.
Because we after we studying the another sutras about this one, yeah.
जी, we will study. It will come in the next. I mean in the other हल संधि में आएगा शायद. आज संधि खत्म होके हल संधि में it will come.
Okay. Now I understood. Yeah.
Okay. Tomorrow, next 3 days anadhyaya. So we don't have Sanskrit, but I suggest that you see Jalam Jashi, and I will send some exercises over the anadhyaya that we can discuss on the द्वितीया डे. द्वितीया दिन जो है, आज क्या दिन है? आज है
Wednesday.
हाँ, वेडनेसडे मतलब थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे छोड़ के संडे. ठीक है.
आकर जी एक प्रश्न है.
जी बोलिए.
पद का अर्थ अक्षर होता है, बिकॉज भगवंत जब हमने किया ना, तो वी रिमूव द पद, सो वी जस्ट रिमूव वन लेटर, है ना? हाँ,
बट नॉट ऑलवेज इज इट ओनली अक्षर. इट इज वन
एग्जैक्टली.
सुप्तिंगंतम पदम में था पहले, हम देखा सुप्तिंगंतम पदम. सुप और तिंगंतम पदम है. सुप तिंगंतम इज भवती. भवती इज अ पदम. सुवंतम Rama is pada.
So we use pada with a for a word as well as for an akshara.
हाँ, तो च word है ना, च. रामः लक्ष्मणः च वर्ड भी, अक्षर भी है और पद भी.
सॉरी, यहाँ पे आपने भगवंत वाला एग्जांपल दिया ना.
जी.
एंड वी रिमूव द त फ्रॉम इट. हाँ, वो तो कोई मीनिंगफुल पद, तो वो तो कोई मीनिंगफुल वर्ड नहीं है वैसे. हाँ, नहीं, ये बाद में, हाँ, ये भी बाद में आएगा. ये भी जो है ना, जैसे कैसे पद समझना है वो भी आएगा बाद में. अंतम यत पद. सो बेसिकली व्हाट यू से इज व्हेन इट इज इन संयोगा. सी, व्हेन इफ संयोगा इज देयर, देन अक्षर ओनली इट हैज टू बी, राइट?
If two words are in Sanyoga, it will not be Sanyoga anymore. It will have to become Samasa or something. Sanyoga means here it is only. So Sanyoga, because Sanyoga Shabda is used, we will take Padam like that. We will understand Pada in that sense.
Yeah. So I was thinking when you wrote the first Bhagavantam, you'll probably write one more Bhagavantam and remove one Bhagavantam from it. That is how I was thinking. This will be.
ठीक है. कोऽपि अन्य प्रश्न? नो चेत् अयं सम्पूर्णं करिष्यामि. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. ओम